Welcome to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today I'm going to show you how to make a rich, soft homemade chocolate cake. No oven needed. Let's make this delicious treat together. Take 2 eggs in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence and beat for about 1 minute. The first chocolate cake recipe appeared over 200 years ago in the United States. Gradually add half cup sugar. Chocolate cake is one of the most searched desserts online around the world. Beating until the sugar fully dissolves. Now pour in half cup oil and mix well. Make sure the sugar is fully dissolved before adding the dry ingredients. It gives a smoother texture. Now sift together 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add the sifted mixture to the wet ingredients. Always sift your dry ingredients, it helps avoid lumps and creates a fluffy cake. Cocoa was once considered so precious, it was used as currency by ancient civilization. Now pour in 1/4 cup milk and mix everything until smooth. Add 3 tablespoons white and dark chocolate chips and fold gently into the batter. Dark chocolate contains natural compounds that help boost mood. Grease a 7-inch cake mold with oil and place a baking paper at the bottom. Greasing the mold and using baking paper prevents sticking and helps easy release. Pour the batter into the mold and spread more chocolate chips on top. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals. Using a small amount of dark chocolate chips adds depth and a hint of bitterness, great for balance. Take a deep pan and place a wire stand inside. Preheat the pan on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Now place the cake mold inside. Cover with a lid and cook on medium-low heat for 35 to 40 minutes. Your soft and moist chocolate cake is ready to enjoy. Homemade chocolate cakes are free from preservative found in store-bought versions. When made at home, you can control sugar and fat levels based on your dietary need. Soft, rich and full of chocolatey goodness, this cake is a must-try for every home baker. Perfect for birthdays, tea time or just when you need a chocolate fix. Have you tried making cake without an oven before? Let us know in the comments. Like, share and follow Innovin Foods for more delicious homemade recipes. Happy cooking!